it's Miss Jen and my friend the mouth, and today we're going to be talking about your ul sound. To write the ul sound, you will use the letter L. To make a good ul sound, you have to pull your tongue up to the top of your mouth and push against these teeth right here. Ul. All right, you try it with me. Ul. Good. Guess what? If your tongue doesn't push up against those teeth and stays down here, you might have a sneaky w or a sneaky y. Instead of saying the word lemon, you might say the word women or the word Yemen. What? What do we do with sneaky w or sneaky y? We gotta take it and we gotta throw it away.
To practice your sound, we're gonna walk the whole mountain. We're going to start off in isolation, doing your sound by itself. Then we're going to move to syllables. Next, we'll do words. And last, we'll use your sound in sentences. It's your job to try and think about using a good sound all the time when you're talking to your family or friends or while you're reading a book out loud. Some of you might start out stuck at the very top of the mountain up here, and that's okay. Our goal is to practice hard so that you can get off the mountain so you're not stuck anymore.
We're going to practice your ul sound in isolation. I want you to make two fists and we're going to go like this. Ul, ul, ul. You do it along with me. Ready? Let's go. Ul, 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 ul.
We're going to practice at the syllable level now. I put our ul sound in the middle. We're going to practice with long vowels and short vowels. I'm going to go first, and you're going to say it right after me. Here we go. Lay, la, lee, le, lie, li, low, law, liu, la. All right, let's go backwards. Ale, all, eel, l, isle, ill, ol, all, you'll, ul.
Now we're going to practice your sound at the word level. You're going to see some pictures go by, and as they go by, I want you to say the word out loud. If you don't know one of the words, feel free to pause the video and ask somebody in your house for help. Make sure to use your sound super clearly. Don't let any sneaky sounds in there.
You just practiced using your sound in the word level. Now we're going to move down to the sentence level. You're going to see some pictures with your sound in it. I want you to make me one sentence for each picture that you see. If you need to pause the video so you can make a great sentence, pause the video, and then return to the next picture.